Black smoke billowed into the sky as a fire broke out in the engine room of an oil tanker, anchored in the Mecklenburg Bay off the coast of Germany, on Friday. The fire broke out after a loud explosion on board the oil tanker Annika, off the coast facing the Baltic Sea, German authorities said. Germany Maritime Search and Rescue Service said it was alerted to the fire, which broke out on the 73-meter-long oil tanker just after 9 a.m. Rescuers said a column of black smoke was visible from the shore. A rescue ship picked up crew members an hour later. Efforts were underway to extinguish the fire and prevent an oil spill, sources said. An emergency tugboat was sent to cool and unload the ship while other vessels were frozen to cool the fire and evacuate the crew. Germany's Central Maritime Emergency Command said the tanker was carrying about 640 metric tons of heavy oil. The tanker was located northwest of Killingsbourne, a coastal resort town west of the port of Rostock. Other details, including the cause of the fire, were not immediately clear, but all 7 injured crew members were rescued. 3 ships sailed to the tanker's location to put out the fire, and more firefighters headed to the tanker by helicopter. So far, the incident has raised concerns about possible environmental damage.